Finding percent of total return. Assume that 1 year ago you bought 130 shares of a mutual fund for $15 per share. You received a 70-cent per share capital gain distribution during the past 12 months, and the market value of the fund is now $12. So if that market value went down, went from $15 per share down to $12 per share. Calculate the the percentage of total return for your $1,950 investment, and then they want you to say here, negative return on investment should be indicated by a minus sign, round intermediate calculations to 2 decimal places, and a final answer down to 1 decimal place. All that's important in order for you to get the right answer here. So let's see. The dollar amount of total return is equal to the capital gains distribution plus the change in market value. So our capital gain distribution, it was 70 cents a share times the 130 shares we bought, or $91. So that's the first piece, the capital gain distributions, $91. The change in market value was negative, however. The change in market value, let's see, the sales value of our shares at the time that we want to sell them is $15.60, which would be $12 per share times $130 shares, or $15.60. Compare that to the purchase price, and the purchase price was $19.50. That was 130 shares at $15 a share, and so when you compare the selling price to the purchase price, we've lost $390. So overall, we've got a $91 increase, which is capital gain distribution, and a change in market value of a minus $390, or $91 minus $390, that's a minus sign, there's a negative amount, is a negative $299. Now we're looking for the percent of total return, so what you want to do is you want to take that original investment, which was $19.50, and divide it into the minus $299, and you'll get a minus 0.153, or a minus 15.3%.